Hi, my name is Amimbo. I live in Japan. Today I'm going to share how to make butterfly brooch. Please make it with your favorite color. We will prepare 6 materials: crochet hook, a ball of yarn, brooch pin, cloth, scissors, and darning needles. Let's get started. We will make magic circle and chain crochet 5 times. Let's wind our finger twice and we will make chain stitch 5 times. After stitching 5 times, we have to pull this part and you will notice one circle will move become smaller. After identifying which circle moves, put that circle to its maximum and pull the end of the thread again. Therefore, making this stitch. On the second layer, we have to do same procedures, but twice the amount for 10 times. If you want a bigger butterfly, just add more stitches when making the wings. We are going to repeat all the steps for the other wing. After making the other pair of wings, we have to connect both wings together using a darning needle. Next, we have to cut a piece of cloth similar to our butterfly figure. After cutting, we have to sew together the cloth shaped like a butterfly to our brooch pin. After connecting both of the brooches, we have to make the eyes. You can use various materials for the eyes of the butterfly. You can use some colorful beads or sequins. And connect the brooch pin and the main body of the butterfly using all-purpose glue. We will wait for 5 minutes for it to dry. You can enjoy your own style butterflies. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time.